Every day, millions of drivers hit the roads, and every day, thousands of unexpected moments unfold. Sometimes it is a peaceful drive under a blue sky. Other times, it turns into a scene of chaos and unbelievable events that you would not believe if they were not caught on camera. In this video, we bring you some of the most shocking moments from the world of driving, where road rage, car crashes, instant karma, and pure foolishness come together to create stories you will never forget. Road rage is a powerful and dangerous emotion. It starts with a small irritation, a bad mood, or a perceived insult on the road. It escalates quickly, turning normal people into reckless, aggressive drivers willing to risk their safety and the safety of everyone around them. One wrong move, one bad decision, and it can all come crashing down, often literally. This compilation shows what happens when anger takes control behind the wheel and how karma sometimes wastes no time delivering a lesson. Throughout these clips, you will witness drivers losing their temper, making terrible decisions, and facing the consequences almost immediately. Whether it is a reckless overtaking maneuver gone wrong, an angry driver jumping out of their car only to slip and fall, or a speeder crashing into a barrier just moments after cutting someone off, these moments show that the road has a way of balancing the scales. Instant karma is not just satisfying to watch, it is a powerful reminder that respect, patience, and caution are critical every time we sit behind the wheel. Some of the most jaw-dropping moments come from drivers who think they are invincible. They tailgate dangerously, weave through traffic at high speeds, or even try to intimidate others into moving out of their way. But arrogance behind the wheel rarely goes unpunished for long. A sudden stop, a hidden pothole, a sharp turn, or a watchful police officer waiting around the corner can turn a reckless driver's day into a nightmare within seconds. And when it happens, the footage tells the whole story better than words ever could. Not every clip in this compilation is about rage. Some moments are pure accidents, freak occurrences that remind us all how unpredictable the road can be. A tire blowout at high speed, a car losing control on wet pavement, an animal darting into the road without warning. These are reminders that even if we do everything right, driving always carries risks. The key is preparation, awareness, and respect for the forces at play every time we are on the road. There are also heartwarming moments hidden among the chaos. Strangers stopping to help after a crash, bystanders rushing to pull someone from a wrecked car, drivers stepping up to direct traffic and prevent further accidents. These moments remind us that humanity's best side can appear even in the worst circumstances. It is not all rage and destruction, it is also resilience, courage, and compassion. Why do people love watching dashcam videos so much? Because they are raw, real, and completely unpredictable. There are no actors, no scripts, no second takes. Every clip is a real moment in someone's life, captured forever. We watch because we recognize pieces of ourselves, the times we lost patience, the moments we got lucky, the near misses that made our hearts race. Dashcam footage is a mirror showing us the truth about human behavior when we think no one is watching. It is also a lesson book for drivers everywhere. Watching these incidents can teach invaluable lessons about defensive driving, situational awareness, and the importance of staying calm under pressure. Seeing how quickly things can go wrong is a powerful motivator to always stay focused and respectful on the road. In some cases, a single glance at the wrong moment can mean the difference between a safe journey and a life-changing accident. The power of instant karma also teaches us that no one is above the rules. It does not matter how expensive your car is, how experienced a driver you think you are, or how urgently you feel you need to get somewhere. The laws of physics and human nature will always be stronger. Arrogance is a dangerous passenger, and when it is behind the wheel, disaster is only ever a few seconds away. Each clip in this compilation is a mini-story, a rise, a fall, a twist, and a conclusion. Some will make you laugh, some will make you gasp, and some might even make you shake your head in disbelief. But all of them will leave you with one clear message: drive safe, drive smart, and never underestimate the road. Stay tuned to the very end because the last few clips are some of the most unbelievable captures you will ever see. From massive highway pileups to lightning-fast police responses, the final moments in this compilation will leave you speechless. And remember, every clip here serves as both entertainment and education. Take the lessons, learn from the mistakes of others, and maybe next time you are tempted to speed past that slow driver or curse the traffic, you will think twice. Every time we get behind the wheel, we enter a world where anything can happen. Roads stretch ahead, full of possibilities, but also full of dangers that hide behind every corner. In this video, we witness what happens when drivers let their emotions take control, when arrogance meets reality, and when karma decides it is time to teach a lesson. 255 shocking moments of road rage, brutal car crashes, and unbelievable acts of instant justice captured in raw, unfiltered footage. No rehearsals, no second chances, just real life happening in the blink of an eye. Road rage is not just a moment of anger, it is a spark that can ignite disastrous outcomes. A simple mistake by another driver, a moment of impatience at a red light, or the frustration of heavy traffic can push some over the edge, turning ordinary citizens into dangerous threats. They speed, they swerve, they tailgate aggressively, convinced they own the road. But the road does not play favorites, and today, it has a few lessons to teach. Throughout this compilation, you will see drivers who thought they could bully their way through traffic face instant karma. Tailgaters who slam into the very cars they are trying to intimidate. Speeders who lose control and end up spinning across multiple lanes. Drivers who run red lights only to be struck down by cross traffic. Every action has a reaction, and when the reaction is swift and severe, it serves as a reminder that driving requires humility, patience, and above all, respect. Not every incident is fueled by rage. Sometimes it is carelessness. A distracted driver checking their phone instead of watching the road. A momentary lapse of judgment during a lane change. A misjudged curve on a wet highway. These mistakes, though not born out of anger, are no less dangerous, and the consequences are just as real. Watching these moments unfold is a powerful lesson in how easily a routine drive can turn into a life-changing event. But it is not all destruction and chaos. Hidden among the wreckage are stories of bravery and kindness. Strangers pulling injured drivers from overturned vehicles. Good Samaritans risking their own safety to redirect traffic away from an accident. Emergency crews working tirelessly to save lives. These moments shine as reminders that even when things go wrong, the best of humanity can rise to meet the challenge. There is something fascinating about dashcam footage. It offers a front-row seat to the raw, unscripted drama of everyday life. The honesty of these videos is what draws millions to watch. There is no acting, no special effects, just real people facing real consequences for their actions. And sometimes, we watch because deep down we know it could have been us. A wrong turn, a bad day, a flash of anger, it can happen to anyone. This video is more than entertainment. It is a warning. A living, breathing testament to why road safety is so important. Why defensive driving matters. Why every time we feel that surge of anger behind the wheel, we must remember these images. Instant karma is not just satisfying to witness, it is a crucial reminder that the road demands responsibility from all of us. Each clip here tells a story. The driver who thought they could force their way into traffic but ended up crushed between two trucks. The motorcycle rider weaving through cars only to be stopped cold by a sudden opening door. The impatient driver who tried to speed through a construction zone and flipped their vehicle in spectacular fashion. Every crash, every near miss, every moment of sudden justice paints a vivid picture of how quickly things can go wrong when we take the road for granted. The highway is not a racetrack. City streets are not battlegrounds. Every time we get behind the wheel, we hold not only our own lives but the lives of countless others in our hands. That responsibility is real. The consequences of forgetting it are captured in every heart-stopping second of this video. Watch closely and you will see the patterns. The aggressive drivers are the first to lose control. The distracted drivers are the ones blindsided by reality. The angry drivers are the ones left stranded and broken. Instant karma is not random. It finds those who think they are untouchable, who believe that rules are for others, and it teaches them the hard way. There is satisfaction in seeing justice served, but there is also sadness. Every crash could have been avoided. Every confrontation could have been diffused. Every life-altering accident could have been just another peaceful trip home. The footage in this compilation is a call to all of us: stay calm, stay focused, stay kind. No one wins in road rage. No one wins in reckless driving. The only true victory is getting home safely. So buckle up. Watch as impatience meets cold hard pavement. See how arrogance crumbles under the weight of reality. Feel the rush as instant karma strikes like lightning across highways, intersections, and parking lots. And when you are done, take a deep breath and promise yourself that the next time someone cuts you off or slows you down, you will choose patience over anger, caution over pride. Because karma does not forget. The road does not forgive. But you can choose to drive in a way that never gives karma a reason to notice you.